So this is going to be a quick guide on how to actually use the BirdsEye website to help fight against COVID-19. So first, we're going to be able to register to the website, and the only thing or the only information needed to actually register to the website is going to be your chosen username, a valid email address, and your password. After which, your account is going to be created and we can finally log in to your account. After logging in to your account, you're going to be redirected to the dashboard, and here you're going to find a lot of information. So first is going to be your status. The status is going to show if you're currently positive or if you are cleared. All of this is going to be shown within this area. Next is going to be the current data, and that's going to show the number of positive cases in the Philippines. Finally is going to be the QR code, and then this QR code is going to be able to or allow frontliners to read your temperature and change your status as a user. Here we're going to have information regarding the places with the most positive cases of COVID-19. We're only shown the top 5, but then if we go to view more, it's going to show a much more information compared to that of just the dashboard. Alright. So here on the left side, we're going to have all of the functionalities available to users. So first is going to be my visited places. So when we go here, this is where you're going to be able to view all of your visited places, and then it's going to show the status of each of your visited place, whether or not there have been users who were positive that also visited that area. The new place button is where you're going to be able to add your previous visited places from the last 14 days. So to actually use this, all you have to do is actually type in your location, enter the date where you went to that location, and finally enter the time. After pressing submit, this is going to appear on this area right here. So these places will be a parameter so that authorized personnel can check affected individuals visiting these places also. Next is going to be my temperature. So on my temperature, you can view the following. So a list of your recorded temperatures, which right now there's none. So you as a user cannot add your own temperature. This temperature will be added by a frontliner who will check or who will scan your QR code and then input your temperature. After when they input your temperature, this is going to be shown in this area right here. Okay, so only authorized personnel and frontliners can change or add a temperature for you. Next is going to be my rides. So on my rides, you can view the following information here, which is going to be list of your used transportations, status of each used transportation, and then this transportation is going to be a parameter so that authorized personnel can check affected individuals using that same method of transportation. Next is going to be symptoms reporting. So on my symptoms, you can view the following. So this is a list of the recorded symptoms, and authorized personnel, when they scan your code, are going to be able to see the list of symptoms that you reported. To actually use this, all we have to do is press on new report, enter the date of when you were feeling the symptoms or when these symptoms started showing. Next, what type of symptom is this, and then enter the details of that symptom. You are going to be given a common list, but then if it's not found in the list, you can just choose others and then write the symptom on the other details list right here, or the other details text box. After submitting the symptom, it's going to be shown in this area right here. Next is going to be my profile. So here in my profile, this is going to be where you can change all of the information that you first added. So you can add your first name, middle name, last name, your gender, your cell phone number, your address, and your birth date. And you can also add in your own profile picture based on an image on your phone or your device or your desktop. In account, this is where you're going to be able to change your password and update your email address if you wish to do so. In linked accounts, this is going to be where you can view linked accounts, or the accounts that are linked to your account. These linked accounts can be accounts of family members, friends, employees if you are a company, and etc. Next, in invite friends, you can actually send a friend an email asking them to join the application or join the website so that they can help fight COVID-19. So to do this, you only have to add your friend's email address in the text box here and then send an invite. And finally, the rest is just simple guides. The guide is going to show you all the features available on the website